brands you trust to keep your business moving are united under one mission: to offer a better way forward. From superior materials to smart solutions, Fenner Precision Polymers enables mobility because you've got work to do. Your raw materials, your ideas, your products, your line, your path forward. Our family of brands delivers excellence today while innovating for tomorrow. You operate at peak performance because we operate with the highest standards to help you solve complex problems and achieve greater results. Fenner Precision Polymers is manufacturing momentum because the heart of our customer experience is keeping you running at full speed.